Yada CBM wakwa Badwam TV Badwam so enyom na yede ajeje wa baba bedu sabre afi yenhwe said ye kase no mu nsam no te ne etodwa omu bi ya wobetini aban no egu enhyehyɛ so enam aso ye hwɛ works and housing so behwe se adansie hu nsam wode bi ebekɔ amansini mu na tumi aboa ma adan ho hawo abafom yede sansam no ebebro na afi yakɔhwɛ enra isi ma kwan se wona ntumi antwe won din de kan no mu no a woyeye no enra edikosi ted de won so mehwe no John Dumelo enso akasa de afa ho no nsimbi na no pay be de bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel no 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube Adom TV 2 medin de afia amankwa tamaklu afia ne de mientie se de nsam ni nkyeremu no etie Osofo ya wo hwe works and housing so okọ ofuase ayubi nso a wono ne mrahye bedwani wo ho kojo ponkroma sa aban no atrimu poni ne susu ye ne sa mensini mu nso wode adankora hodo no bi nso ebekọ ho natumi aboa ma adan ho haw ya de hye ye famu no atumi abafo
Number supply and being back when say about the fee district housing program as it said yeah Dr. Buzia Mufia Siero to say projects the road and Kumasi Taprade and over here because urbanization is almost about half of your population but the districts so also many part the bridge so I will here say you be because see a tiny people district no more buying a transform so mo district in area baby atna
Rashibi Jeni ojire mama for takrade ene atoye mante muswa for kabno chedako ebekasa wodwumedie no ase a ono so edisa nsemi etutwa.
We ought to eulogize the legacy of late Dr. Kofi Abrifa this year. We are celebrating a legend today. He believed in the potential of rural areas and rural people, formulated policies and implemented projects and programs aimed at promoting the development of rural communities in Ghana.
Vice Chancellor Odata Credit Technical University and Professor John Frank Eshen HSC.
Today's theme, housing the future, innovative approaches to rural development in Ghana, is crucial because it addresses a pressing need at the pivotal moment of our nation's development. The well-being of rural population is integral to the overall progress of the country. Adequate housing is a fundamental human right that directly impacts health.
Yet was so na electoral commissioner ye no say ebinom wo hono ma bra ye bie mu say ye metwe ye din na bia bibinti won mo anya ho ene wansa ma ho akwanya bie mu ye mop-up registration enra ene hye ase na wo ededika wo University of Ghana Center eye 26 centers ka eye public universities ho no ekohu NDC parliamentary candidate wa ya waso West Wogon John Dumelo na nanije ahase no o ne timu pone na adwene ene se na aka no so ebesa
process no record we so far, you know, Kofaba or by register, most of them first-time voters. Ibum so onyo one muna. I mean, when two man registered the last time. So far, I think process near okay. I think that honestly, I think that is enough because you know we will go in for about 2 months or a month and a half in May, June. July, and I was also a transfer, and I was also a issue 3 days account. So I think it's enough for.
Mrasha bedwani de ma de hia wa adwura secheduma se wa asante mantamu se wasinkete sa afia Badwam so besa akoso agina mu de ama ne manfo Mohammed Brahma Bawa na ede afutuo ma MPP parliamentary candidate awai ni tirimu adwene se obetu no se onfena ni nkire ba bi foforo ofise wo ba na wo ba nso ankunimdie ebe ye ne dia
Mrasha bedwani eda ne de se
Facha yempa sasa na ntumi amobre semu so ye de bebre we kase ahodom ma yemomra yensan foforo mu na 19 schoolfo na womo ekwa hoyehie mu no ensuo ye a wom benya ansa no won tumi akọ school no eye womo ha no pa bia no school mofra ye wo 19 RC basic school womo enante kwansini bebre ansa no wonya nsuo de adware de adidi ansa no wom akọ school emunsem eni Mamen komra se si afache me na ye ba ye betwa so